Waste management involves the collection, transport, processing, recycling or disposal of waste materials. The goal is to reduce the adverse effects of waste on health, the environment and aesthetics. Key components of waste management: collection and transportation. Efficient collection systems to gather waste from households, businesses and public spaces. Transportation of waste to processing or disposal sites. Segregation. Separation of waste into different categories, such as organic, recyclable and hazardous waste. Promotes recycling and proper disposal of hazardous materials. Processing and treatment. Recycling involves converting waste materials into new products. Composting is the process of decomposing organic waste to produce compost for agricultural use. Incineration burns waste to reduce its volume and generate energy. Waste to energy focuses on converting non-recyclable waste into usable heat, electricity or fuel. Disposal. Landfills are engineered sites where waste is isolated from the environment. Sanitary landfills are designed to prevent contamination of groundwater and reduce methane emissions. Hazardous waste disposal involves special facilities for the safe disposal of toxic and hazardous waste. Reduction and prevention. Promoting practices that reduce waste generation, such as reducing, reusing and recycling, is essential. Encouraging sustainable production and consumption patterns is also crucial. Introduction. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, or SBA, is a nationwide campaign launched by the Government of India on October 2, 2014 to clean up the streets, roads and infrastructure of cities, towns and rural areas. It aims to achieve a clean India by October 2, 2019, the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Objectives: eliminate open defecation, eradicate manual scavenging, implement modern and scientific municipal solid waste management, effect behavioral change regarding healthy sanitation practices, generate awareness about sanitation and its linkage with public health, strengthen urban local bodies to design, execute and operate systems, create a conducive environment for private sector participation in sanitation. Key components: solid waste management, promoting the segregation of waste at the source, encouraging recycling and composting, establishing waste processing facilities and sanitary landfills, implementing door-to-door waste collection systems. Sanitation, construction of household, community and public toilets, promoting the use of toilets to eliminate open defecation, ensuring the proper maintenance and cleanliness of public sanitation facilities. Behavioral change, public awareness campaigns to educate citizens about the importance of cleanliness and sanitation. School education programs to instill good sanitation practices in children. Community participation and involvement in cleanliness drives and activities. Capacity building, training urban local bodies and municipal workers in modern waste management practices, strengthening institutions and frameworks for better implementation and monitoring. Funding and incentives, government funding and grants for sanitation and waste management projects, incentives for municipalities and states that perform well in cleanliness and sanitation. Impact: significant reduction in open defecation through the construction of millions of toilets, improved waste management practices in urban and rural areas, increased public awareness and participation in cleanliness drives, enhanced health and hygiene conditions, reducing disease prevalence linked to poor sanitation. Conclusion: waste management and Swachh Bharat Abhiyan are critical components of India's efforts to improve public health, environmental sustainability and overall quality of life. By promoting efficient waste management practices and fostering a culture of cleanliness and sanitation, these initiatives aim to create a cleaner, healthier and more sustainable India.